3 eggs room temperature. Granulated sugar 100 gram. Beat until foamy. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Oil a half cup. Whisk until well combined. All-purpose flour 120 gram. Cocoa powder 25 gram. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. A pinch of salt. Sift well. Mix it carefully, do not overmix the batter. Pour the batter into the lined and greased loaf pan. Spread evenly. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Remove cake from the oven. Cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Drag a knife around the edges. Remove from pan. Peel the parchment paper from the bottom of the cake. Cool completely before slicing. Enjoy!